Hey, just a quick video here on this landing page we're doing where we took all the learnings from the first landing page and we're now optimizing based on that. And it's so powerful when you go to the next improvement, the next iteration of your landing page. So first of all, we realized that we wanted to highlight specifically the cost per gum. So now it's very easy to digest what the cost is per package. And I think it's really awesome that it's not half the price, but it's way cheaper to go with the bulk bag. And also I think adding in the most popular icon over here really makes sense. And now it has a percentage of people that pick this one that gives more sort of proof that this is the right option, and people almost feel bad about not going with what is the most popular one. We also put in how long the gum bag usually, or this bundle usually lasts, or last you 90 days. This only lasts you 30 days. So I think that's quite good. We may even test lowering this to a little bit less based on a higher consumption per day, because that makes it way more attractive to have this one versus these two. Because if this goes down to 15 days, this goes down to 30 days, then this is going to seem even more attractive. The other thing that we really highlighted is try risk-free instead of buy now, which is a much softer sell. And people love that because we do have the 30-day money-back guarantee, which is so important. We also have some quick highlights on what you will get with this product. And then obviously we have the free ebook, which is a big thing that you only get with the bulk bag. So that's kind of cool as well. And I think one thing we might do in the future is highlight what is in this ebook, because right now it's just that. So we might go in and explain what is in the ebook, so it seems like a much bigger sell. The other thing we really did, which I think is big, is we added social proof way closer to the buy button. So this was at the bottom of the page, so we just lifted this back up, as social proof is so important in order to make that decision. Then we put the other things down here, which is less important, the FAQ and so on. So that's just something that really helps us. Love this one over here, a little bit of social proof, video with Bistia that autoplays. So generally this is just such a great landing page now, and I expect that this is going to really heavily outperform the other ones we've done. So it's going to be exciting to see.